Hello friends, Min here, and today we are going to talk about EC2 web service and how we'll install Apache server in there. That will be talk in today video. Guys, you know, after the login, this similar page you can be see in your computer right now. Then you can be see on the left side, here is the service. Then once you click the service, you have to go to EC2. Just click the EC2. Once you click the EC2, we have to create a new EC2. For that, guys, you know, here is the option is instance new. You have to create a EC2 instance. Just click the instance new. And here is the option launch a new instance. Okay, here is number of instances running in here, but we have to create a new one to know how to install the Apache server in there. Let's click the launch instance. Once we click the launch instance, here is the similar page. We have to choose the free eligible option in here. Just click Amazon Linux 2 AMI and select it. Once you select, I am going to overview in here because you can be check my last video how to create a instance in EC2. Just I am choosing in here T2 micro and click the next configure, and here is the option, you have to choose it. Then again add the storage. Then again I am going to the text, just I am going to leave it and review and the launch. If you don't know how to review and the launch, you can be check my last video to find out all the details. And here option is the launch, just click the launch, and here you know you have to choose create a new key pair, and here is the name you have to enter. I am going to write a name. Okay, then download the key pair. Once you download, keep it on and click the option launch instance. Just click it. Now your instance is launching successfully, and you can be see once you click this launch, this is your instance you just created and it's pending for few seconds. Here we will be create a short name to know about our launch name. I am going to write in here info 160. Okay, just I make a name. This is the instance, that's name is info 160. Okay, after that we have to connect this instance. And how will we connect? Just click again in this instance, and here is the option you can be see connect. Click again the connect. That everything I already told my last video, you can be check it there. Just I am overcoming. Then click again the connect. Once you click the connect, it's coming to the command prompt of the Linux. Here you have to write the command. So guys, this is everything what's about the create a instance. Then after I am going to connect. Here what you will be do after the connect, you have to check it. I am going to check some simple thing, is it working or not. For that I am writing here Python version. For that I am write the command and enter. It's saying the command is not found, there is some mistake. Python spelling Python version. Now it's found the Python 2.7.18 is there. Then after, what will we do, guys? We have to go the super user, means the root user. For that we will be use the command sudo space su. It's for the super user, means you have to go the root user to install any kind of software in here. Enter. Now we come to the root user and his her IP address. Then after here, what will we do? You have to check out the package. What is the package in there? For package, you have to use the code is yum. It's already in here. Just write small yum. Then click it. Now it's showing all the package. What's the package in there? It's showing in here. After that, you have to install a software. You have to ensure is your all the existing package is up to date or not. For that, we'll use the command yum update -y. Then enter. Now it's checking your package is update or not. Whatever was not update, it's going to update in here. Now the update process is completed. Let's go to install the Apache server. For that, what the command? Yum install what? The Apache server, that is httpd. Then enter. Now it's showing the package details. Okay, it's in the package. If you want to install, then just answer this question yes or no. Here will be right. For the yes, it's y. Then after, click the enter. Now the package is installed. Now the software is installed. Once install the Apache, what will we do? You have to start. For that you have to write start. The command is system ctl start what? That software is httpd. Click the enter. Then after, what you will be do? You have to enable. Okay. After the start, you have to enable. For that, you will be write the command system ctl enable httpd. Now it's saying the system ctl enable httpd is not found. Okay. There is some spelling mistake. Again, will be right. system ctl enable httpd. Now this command is executed, but it's asking you have to enable the httpd. Actually, guys, it's the command is not here. Is not enabled in our ec2 web service. This enable option httpd is not enabled. For that you have to go to in here and again back to the ec2. Just cancel in here. And which one is info 160? Just click in here again. After click, you can be see here is the security. Click the security and the security group. You can be check this is the security group. Just click this security group, and the security group there is some inbound and outbound rules. What will we do? You have to update the inbound rules. Here is the default inbound rule is SSH. Click. Here is the option is edit the inbound rule. Just click in here to edit the inbound rule. And here we will be add another one rule. For any kind of web service you have to launch, you have to enable HTTP. Then here is the custom is 00 point and click the save this rule. We are going to add this rule. Okay, so again we are going to execute this command systemctl enable httpd, because the http was not enabled before, that's why this command is not working. Now it's in, the command is executing in here. Okay, after executing you have to see the Apache server will be launched in your system. You can be open in your new tab and you can be check it. Okay, let's open this address in your browser. What we are going to type in here, the IP address. What is the IP address? Is public IP address 18. You can be checking here 18.196.43.36. Okay, just click in here. Now it's the test page of Apache page is going to open in here. Okay, so after that we will be create a index. Okay, then you can be see our command, what we are going to write, something about hello world or hello my name, that will be appear in this page. Let's go to in here and we are going to write echo name. I am going to write hello world. Okay, this command is executed, but we are going to run in the index in here. For that we have to write echo let's refresh again. Now it's coming hello world in your test phase. Before it's coming the Apache page, once you execute this command, it's coming hello world in here. So guys, this is the short video how to install the Apache in instance in EC2 web service. If you like this video, please subscribe me. Till then, bye bye and see you some next video.